For pronouncement of judgment, item 16.
The appeal is allowed. Matter is remanded to the ITAT for deciding the appeal preferred by the SSC afresh on the grounds raised by the SSC in the appeal preferred before it.
Much.
Any adjournment request?
Okay, I think for listing of two matters. We
Registry.
file appeal, no, Lordship,
Ask the registry.
Lordship, there is a problem with the registry. Lordship,
What's the problem?
we filed the appeal, Lordship, both the appeals are hit by the policy of the litigation policy.
What the appeals?
Lordship, so I think that these two appeals filed by the department, these are hit by the litigation policy. So we want to withdraw this appeal. Lordship.
Ask the registry mail list.
Lordship, we made approach the registry. Registry said there are some defects, so you have to mention your honorable court.
Monday.
Lordship.
Oh, sorry. Wednesday.
Lordship.
Wednesday.
Item number 3, my lord, we have entered appearance for the respondents.
Item number 3.
3. Because I could not inform the advocate or the other side.
Item number 3, Your Honor, I have my senior on BC from Delhi.
Item number 3.
Yeah.
No, I am appealing for the appellant in this matter. The matter is very short, my lord, and I am in urgency.
The respondents has
Next
put
week.
in appearance through Mr. Das advocate. They are
Okay.
seeking some time.
My lord, I have some urgency in this matter. This is a matter, but I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, please.
My lord, this is a matter pertaining to invocation of a bank guarantee. I am a PSU NRL, my lord, Snowmaliga Refinery Limited. It was a mega project, my lord, and the respondent number 1 is the contractor who defaulted. In view of the default, we have invoked the bank guarantee. The
Okay.
bank did not encash it for as long as 1.5 months. There was a default. We have complained to the ombudsman also, but that is a separate issue. The contractor files a writ petition, my lord, without any prayer with respect to the bank guarantee.
Okay.
Then later, my lords, after 1 month of filing of the writ petition, he moves an application, interim application for stay on the encashment of the bank guarantee.
That we'll consider, sir. Certainly we'll consider, but let them file their response. We'll give them one opportunity.
The lordships, whatever is there on record of the writ petition is before the lordships.
Yeah.
Only my grounds are to be considered.
We'll consider. Certainly.
But it's very short time may be given because my project is suffering due to this non-invocation.
Which time would you like to have?
Well, next, first week of next month.
First week of May?
May, yes.
No problem, of course.
Okay, list
If
of
it is-
Okay, Mr. BD Das put in appearance on behalf of
Or no, respondent 1.
respondent number 1. Other respondents have also been served.
No, sir,
He is the only main contesting respondent. Others are pro forma respondents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6 in the
Yes.
18. 3 or 8.
Mr. Consul,
Go
this respondent number 3 and 8 service, in fact, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are your this
on. Since
officers.
they were made a party in the writ petition, so I have to make them a pro forma respondent.
That's right, but so far as regarding 3 and 8 is concerned,
Please go on.
those are to be their notices have not been served till date.
But they are not contesting parties insofar as this writ appeal is concerned. Because my only concern is the invocation of bank.
And the
Only R1 is the main
just a
contesting.
minute, just a minute.
Please.
The matter comes upon for consideration of the IA number 477/2025.
No, sir. No, sir.
The
It is-
matter comes upon. ये लिखे notices issued to the respondents in this writ appeal has not been served upon all the respondents. Respondent number 1 is representing through Mr. B. Das, senior, Mr. So and so, senior counsel number, Mr. So and so. The respondent number 3,
4, 5,
who is the respondent?
2 is
Who is the bank here?
Bank of India,
Yes, has been served, Malad. I have served them through Dusty.
when?
Malad, I have served them because they are in Noida. So I have served, Malad, last week I have served. I'll file the proof also. But Malad, the relief now is
There
only,
is no affidavit filed, sir.
I filed, but Malad, now the only contesting respondent is
The
R1.
notices issued to the respondent number 228 has not been served till date. However, it is noticed that the respondent number 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the performer respondents, and therefore the notice of service upon the respondent number 4 to 7 is waived. Let notices issued to the respondent number 2, 3 and 8 be awaited for one more week, list on 5th of May 2025. In the meantime, Mr. Das, whatever
Yes, it's
submitted,
whatever is necessary.
yes,
May I please, Your Lordship? I like to mention item number 11, Your Lordship.
11,
After, kindly matter be adjourned and fixed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
nothing in this matter. At the request of non-conference of the parties, list in the month of July.
Oblige, Your Lordship. Not in the month of July, Your Lordship, in the month of June, Your Lordship.
July.
Oblige.
Any other request?
I can know one, Malad, almost similar issues are pending for on the effects court, Malad.
this was
Okay, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the issue raised in this petition, PIL petition is pending consideration, is also pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the verdict is awaited. Full stop. In view of the fact that similar issue raised in this PIL petition is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court, we deem it appropriate to adjourn this PIL petition sine die. However, the respective parties are free to move application, move appropriate application for listing the case after the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court on the similar issue.
Oblige.
Item number 4,
There is a delay in filing the appeal. The notice was issued. The respondent number 2 accept the notice, but with respect to respondent number 1, notice is not returned back.
proprietor.
And he's a proprietor of respondent petitioner number 1, respondent number 1.
And notice
Await return of notice of respondent number 1 for 4 more weeks.
item 5,
notice 8 4. Please. Eight, 4, 4.
Await return of notice of answered respondent for 6 more weeks.
for admission, item 6 and 7.
Yes, ma'am, you are appealing for whom?
And from
Who is appealing for the Union of India?
Yes,
What happened to that? This sanction of Anganwadi centers, 3 new Anganwadi centers.
Yes, Malad.
That's
But government has not yet filed a reply.
Government has sent the recommendation. The
Yes.
Union of India is to clarify whether they have given it or not.
Malad, also said in, yes, I can do it. 39. 39.
All for the
We now-
Union of India.
I am sorry, Malad.
She's okay.
In page number 2, we have filed our affidavit in opposition in page number 246, my lord.
You are for the state.
No.
No, no, Union
Union
of,
of
yes,
India.
my lord.
Yes. But on 10/2/2025, we have passed an order
Yes, my lord.
that Mr. R.K. Chaudhary, Leonard, Deputy SG of India, pays some more time to complete the registration regarding the request so made by the state government for opening 3 Anganwadi centers.
Yes, my lord.
What happened to that?
My lord, they have given one letter on 4th December. No. No. We don't know.
So,
That will not be.
What happened to that?
That, my lord, they have, the state government has given some letter to, that this is the letter.
That we have already taken
Yes.
note of. What is the response of the central government, whether they have sanctioned it or not?
No, that has no, we don't have any instruction. Let the matter come after.
On 10/2/2025, it's almost more than 2 months.
Yes, my lord.
Still, you have not completed your instruction.
So that instruction.
Thereafter, on 12/3/2025, again, we granted you the time.
One last time we take instruction, my lord, 3 weeks time may be given, my lord.
Meanwhile,
Okay.
entry may be provided each and every day, Lordship,
What interim, madam?
for food grains under the National Food Security Act.
Let them come. If the Anganwadi center is not even sanctioned, how they will provide that food grains?
From the nearby Anganwadi centers, Lordship.
It's always open. Okay. On 10/2/2025, time was granted to the learned Deputy Solicitor General for completing the instructions regarding the requests made by the state government for opening 3 Anganwadi centers. Full stop. The information has not been supplied by the Union of India, by the central government till date. Stop. Mrs. So-and-so raised 2 weeks further time to complete the instructions. Last opportunity of 2 weeks is granted. List after 2 weeks.
Master bless you.
Leaves to apply, Lordship.
Item number 8.
वो 78 से बढ़ रहा है इंटरेस्टिंग सर ये जो उनका जो एंगेजमेंट है ना सर वो रास्ता से मैंने ऐसा नहीं कि उनको लेके फायदा लगा इशू किया गया अगर वो माइनस था तो ये ऑफर
That boy service, my lord. That boy service is
42 years service.
no 42 is my lord, not my lord. That period your lordship kindly see from 1998.
So, sir, so you mean to say that he was engaged when he was 12 years of age?
My lord, that is and that boy service was that is my lord allowed in that.
That is, where is that in this organization?
That organization is not there. There is a
That
central rule is
organization
there.
is not there. Central government in some of the organization may have done it, but not in this. How can we apply this?
No, my lord, your lordship kindly see, I am a canteen boy. And by your lordship kindly see, they admitted that my service has been
We
regularized from
can't
1980.
allow you, can't even expect that a person, even if he is employed at the age of 18 years, he can, maximum he can complete 42 years of service. How can we allow that 47 years?
No, that if it is my lord, if I am getting a regular salary from 1978, then there is a different thing. I am getting regular salary from 1983, my lord.
But sir, that date of birth, how that date of birth can be changed?
No, date of birth cannot be changed, my lord, because that is, if suppose that period is my illegal, my lord, that is what that they have given me
We'll
appointment.
examine
my lord.
it. We'll examine. Having heard the learned concept of the parties, we are of the view that matter requires consideration, hence admits no need to issue notice. As the respondents are represented through counsel, list in due course. The interim order passed by this court on 25/11/2024 is made absolute till final disposal of the writ appeal.
Fix my lordship, because even otherwise I'm retired in 2020.
Mehta 24 के matters आ रहे हैं, nobody is
My lord.
interested in doing.
Deep blue.
Item 9 and 10.
I here for respondent number 2 in the item number 9 and 5 and 6, my lords, for the respondent, item number 10. So I'm ready for argument.
Then Lordship may post, I'm led by Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel. Lordship may have it after some time, I'll just inform him.
For some time we may.
Or Lordship may fix a date, short date, subject to my learned friend's convenience.
Now, any Monday, if it's possible,
Very
I
well.
would
I'm no
prefer a
difficulty.
Monday. But not very late, my lords.
Yes, I'm also praying for a short date, no difficulty.
It's on 19th of May.
19th of May. Very well.
Very
19th.
Deeply.
I'm so great.
This is the concept of the.
My lord, only difficulty.
This on 19th of May.
In the meantime, my lords, there was an affidavit that they had filed. I don't think affidavit they had filed in a writ appeal, my lords. Technically, I'm not required to file a reply, but for my lords, housekeeping sake, my lord, let me file a short 2-page reply.
We are not, you file
Very,
up to 19th May.
very, very, will do that. Great.
The interim order passed by this court. Till final disposal of the writ appeal. Okay. Now. Okay, we have already passed that unlimited.
Great.
Item 12 to 14.
That is done.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for item number 14. There I have filed a interlocutory application taking a prayer. The respondents are yet to file their reply to that. But 14,
What about the other matters?
12, they are appearing.
I am for item 12, Lord.
12, 13, 13 and 14 you are appearing. Na?
No, I'm only for 14, Your Lordship.
14. But acha, that Pankaj Kumar Das and
Pranjita.
Barua.
एफिडेविट का जो मैटर एक्सपोज कर उन्होंने रिप्रो किया था एक्सपोज करा उसमें गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं
इसी में नहीं।
इसमें नहीं उसमें नहीं
Yes, ma'am, you have to file the affidavit.
My lord, yes, my lord, actually, one affidavit had been filed earlier,
But
that
that
has
has
been
been-
withdrawn,
that has
so
been
they
withdrawn.
are required to file fresh affidavit, my lord,
That has
because
been-
we relied upon that affidavit in all the cases, my lord.
सुनील बट
File your
Yes,
affidavit
ma'am.
in these
Yes.
petitions also. Nikhil Lanet Council appearing on the Union of India pray some time to file affidavit in opposition to the writ petitions as well as the IAs preferred, IAs filed along with the writ petition number 2399, IA number 4046 of 2024, filed along with writ petition number 2399 of 2024. Just after 6 weeks.
Must have let.
Item 15.
Appellant is represented by Mr. K.N. Chaudhary. The rule has been put into challenge, madam. And we have taken a preliminary objection in suppression of material facts.
That we have only this case. How far will wait?
I'm appearing for the state respondent. My activity
You are filing it today?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm told that your lordship is also rising early.
Mr.
Lordship is rising early.
Learned Council appearing from the state has submitted the affidavit on behalf of the state would be counter affidavit on behalf of the state would be filed during the course of the day.
Yeah.
Stop. List on 7th of May. 7th of May.
We are obliged.